I go to the zoo. I go to the zoo. I buy a ticket. I buy a ticket. I walk around the zoo. I walk around the zoo. I see a lion. I see a lion. I like the elephants. I like the elephants. I take a photo. I take a photo. I hear the birds. I hear the birds. I read the signs. I read the signs. I see a big tiger. I see a big tiger. I visit the pandas. I visit the pandas. I stand near the cage. I stand near the cage. I enjoy the zoo. I enjoy the zoo. I see a zebra. I see a zebra. I watch the seals. I watch the seals. I visit the reptiles. I visit the reptiles. I look at the map. I look at the map. I follow the path. I follow the path. I hear a lion roar. I hear a lion roar. I buy a snack. I buy a snack. I sit on a bench. I sit on a bench. I wave at the kids. I wave at the kids. I find the penguins. I find the penguins. I smile at the monkeys. I smile at the monkeys. I learn about animals. I learn about animals. I have fun today. I have fun today. I go home happy. I go home happy. I drink some water. I drink some water.